Interested in finding the best action cameras available this year? Look no further. We've searched through numerous cameras to identify the top choices based on performance, price, and ease of use across various situations. Whether you're capturing a thrilling bike ride or a relaxed day at the beach, choosing the right camera is crucial. For more details on each camera, please check the links in the description below. Let's start. The first on our list is the DJI Osmo Action 4. This action camera shines with its impeccable image quality, capable of capturing every moment from the subtle morning light to the deep shadows of dusk. Its large 1.3-inch sensor ensures stunning clarity in 4K, making your footage come alive with true-to-life colors. The camera doesn't just perform well in optimal conditions, it excels in low temperatures down to -20°C, with a battery life that lasts up to 150 minutes, ensuring you never miss a moment, even in the harshest environments. This camera stands out for its ability to shoot 4K video at 120 frames per second with a 155-degree ultra-wide field of view, providing immersive, high-resolution footage. Whether you're capturing fast-paced sports or serene landscapes, the DJI Osmo Action 4 offers slow-motion capabilities that bring cinematic quality to your videos. Switching perspectives is effortless thanks to the magnetic quick-release feature, which allows for quick transitions between different shooting orientations, ideal for dynamic filming scenarios. Stability is key with any action camera, and the DJI Osmo Action 4 does not disappoint. It offers 3 stabilization modes to keep your footage smooth and clear, whether you're biking rough trails or skiing down slopes. The inclusion of features like pre-rec, which captures moments before you hit the record button, ensures you never miss the action, making it a standout choice for anyone from casual adventurers to serious videographers. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 4 packs a powerful punch with its robust features and versatile performance. For anyone in the market for a reliable action camera that delivers professional-grade footage and adapts seamlessly to various environments, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is worth considering. The second on our list is the GoPro Hero 12. The Hero 12 Black elevates its legacy with stellar improvements in both video and photo capabilities. HDR is now available not just for photos, but for videos too, capturing 5.3K and 4K resolutions. This feature is particularly effective in contrasting environments where light and shadow interplay, enhancing subtle details that would otherwise be lost. Whether it's the dark underbrush of a forest trail or the bright gleam of a snowy slope, the Hero 12 ensures every color and contour is captured with precision. The camera's image quality is nothing short of cinematic, with 5.3K video providing 91% more resolution than 4K, and an astonishing 665% more than 1080p. This immense clarity is complemented by the ability to shoot 27-megapixel photos, with the added convenience of extracting high-resolution stills directly from your videos via the GoPro Quick app. Stabilization is a hallmark of GoPro, and the Hero 12 Black continues this tradition with its Emmy Award-winning HyperSmooth 6. This advanced stabilization system now includes HyperSmooth Auto Boost, offering enhanced steadiness with minimal image cropping. Whether you're biking rugged trails, skiing down slopes, or capturing playful moments with pets, your footage remains impeccably smooth. Rounding out its robust features, the Hero 12 Black is rugged and waterproof up to 33 feet, equipped to handle any adventure. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 12 Black stands as a top-tier choice for action enthusiasts seeking unmatched image quality and stability in a durable, adventure-ready package. The third on our list is the Insta360 Ace Pro. The Ace Pro impresses right out of the gate with its flagship 1/1.3-inch sensor paired with a 5-nanometer AI chip, offering a significant leap in capturing light and enhancing image quality. This combination ensures that each frame is brighter and cleaner, especially in low-light conditions, attributes that action camera aficionados will surely appreciate. The addition of a Leica Summerit lens means you're not just capturing moments, you're preserving them with unparalleled clarity and color fidelity no matter the time of day. For those who thrive on action-packed adventures, the Ace Pro records smooth 4K 120 FPS slow-motion footage and utilizes active HDR to intensify the vibrancy of your shots. Its new Pure Video mode is a game-changer for low-light environments, integrating innovative AI noise reduction and a boosted dynamic range that keeps videos crisp and detailed. The Ace Pro is not just about capturing stunning videos, it's also about ease of use. The 2.4-inch flip touchscreen enhances usability, allowing for quick previews and effortless adjustments from any angle. Transitioning between shooting modes and accessories is a breeze with the magnetic mounting system. Plus, built-in AI features like pause recording, gesture control, and clarity zoom simplify the recording process, while the app instantly provides edited highlights ready for sharing. Concluding, the Insta360 Ace Pro stands out as a robust companion for adventurers and casual users alike. Its superior stabilization and waterproof capabilities ensure it performs reliably in even the most challenging environments, making it an excellent recommendation for anyone looking to push their creative boundaries with an action camera. The fourth on our list is the Insta360 X4. The Insta360 X4 not only embraces the 8K revolution in 360-degree video capture, but excels at it, delivering breathtaking vistas in full panoramic glory. Whether you choose 8K resolution or the smoothness of 5.7K at 60 FPS, the X4 ensures vibrant, color-accurate footage with its active HDR, even in motion-heavy scenarios. This makes it an excellent choice for capturing dynamic environments without losing the essence of the moment. One of the standout features of the X4 is its ease of use when it comes to reframing shots. The hassle of perfect alignment while shooting is gone, thanks to the ability to shoot now and frame later using the AI-powered Insta360 app. This, combined with the invisible selfie stick effect, allows creators to produce videos that appear to be shot by an unseen third party, giving the footage a professional drone-like quality without the complexity or cost. The camera's versatility is further demonstrated by its 4K capabilities and a 170-degree ultra-wide field of view. Whether used for expansive landscape shots or more focused action sequences, the X4 delivers with exceptional clarity. Its flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock are pivotal, providing ultra-stable footage that remains level and smooth throughout the most vigorous activities. Durably designed, the Insta360 X4 is built to withstand extreme conditions. It's cold-resistant, fully functional at 20 degrees Celsius, and waterproof up to 33 feet without additional housing, perfect for all kinds of adventures. In conclusion, the Insta360 X4 stands as a formidable contender in the action camera market, offering robust features that cater to both amateur videographers and seasoned adventurers. The last on our list is the GoPro Hero 11. The Hero 11 brings a revolutionary approach to its imaging capabilities, featuring a new sensor that delivers an unprecedented field of view right out of the box. This enhancement provides a larger canvas for creativity, allowing users to capture expansive scenes with more of the sky and horizon. The flexibility to zoom in, crop shots, change digital lenses, and adjust aspect ratios without sacrificing the sharpness and rich textures of your footage makes it a versatile tool for any videographer. The Hero 11 excels in delivering stunning image quality with its ability to record in 5.3K, providing significantly more resolution than 4K and vastly more than 1080p. This capability ensures that every detail of the action is captured with crisp clarity and cinematic quality. Additionally, the camera's water-repelling lens cover is a thoughtful feature that enhances photo and video quality by reducing lens flare and other common artifacts. For those looking to capture high-resolution photos alongside their videos, the Hero 11 does not disappoint. It boosts photo resolution to 27 megapixels and allows for capturing fluid 5.3K video, from which you can extract stunning 24.7 megapixel stills. The capability to record 2.7K video at 240 frames per second, which can be played back in 8 times slow motion, uncovers details that are typically missed at normal speeds. Emmy Award-winning Hypersmooth 5 stabilization technology ensures that even the most turbulent footage is smoothed out. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 11 stands out as a dynamic tool that pushes the boundaries of action photography and videography. And that ends our list of the best action cameras. We hope this guide helps you find the right one for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.